Good morning, dear students. Jai Swaminarayan. As we all know, today we have salad making competition, salad decoration we have to do, and you have to send the video as well as photograph. So here's some ideas I am sharing you what we have learned. This is related to science subject. So I am showing you the image regarding the science subject. So here you can see some of the caterpillar. आप caterpillar अपने सबने देखी होगी, right? So here we can see some of the caterpillar. कैटरपिलर अलग अलग स्टाइल से अलग अलग शेप में बनाया है, अलग अलग फ्रूट्स यूज़ करके कैटरपिलर बनाया है, स्नेल बनाया है. ओके, सो आप ये सब इमेज देख सकते हो. सो यहाँ पे आपको मैं दिखा रही हूँ. सो व्हाट इज़ दिस? दिस इज़ caterpillar, this is caterpillar, this is caterpillar, this is caterpillar, this is caterpillar. Okay, now this is snail, this is also snail, this is also snail, this is also snail, this is also snail, and this is also a snail. Okay, so now we will go for next image. This is what? This is a fish. Fish is made up of this watermelon. Okay, and this is star fruit also. You can see over here. Wait, I'll show you. See, this is star fruit. Okay, and what is this? This is fish, and this is made up of watermelon, and here black grapes. Okay, now another image. What is this? This is sheep. This sheep has been made up of what? What is this? This is green grapes. This is black grapes, and this is cucumber. Now next slide. What is this? This is lion. Okay, so here you can see what is this. This is what? Orange. This is banana. This is blueberry. Okay, and this is what? Carrot. Okay, and in the center this is the cutting of pineapple. So you can see this with this image. Now next image. What is this? This is what is this? This is rat. Okay, so here you can see what is this? Blueberry. Okay, and this is spinach. Okay, with the help of spinach it has been drawn. This is what is this? Pomegranate. Okay, and like this way you can see the next image. Now what is this? This is bed bug. Now on the slide of sandwich you can see the bed bug. Now in the bed bug what you can see? This is tomato, this is blueberry, this is spinach or cabbage. Okay, so you can see this image also. Next image is of owl. Now in owl you can see so many things, right? So what are these? We have learned many spelling from this, but what are this? This is what is this? Carrot. What is this? This is a finger chips. Okay, this is finger chips. आप सब खाते हो ना? This is cucumber. Okay, so here you can see this. What I feel कि ये कैप्सिकम जैसे स्लाइस दिख रही है. आपको लग रही है? मुझे भी ऐसा ही लग रहा है. This is capsicum. Okay, and this is curd, and here you can see cherry. Okay, so this is the image you can see over here. Now this is a beautiful peacock made up of various fruits. Now we will see which fruits are there. So this is cherry, this is blueberry, this is green grapes, this is pineapple, this is orange, and this is cherries again, and this is pear. Okay, next image. Wow, this is beautiful butterflies with various fruits. Okay, so this is kiwi, this is banana, this is blueberry, this is strawberry. Now what is this? This is a pet animal, dog, made up of banana. Okay, now here we can see this is, what is this? This is cat from the orange. This is a bird from Chile. This is a snail. This is a rat. This is a squirrel. This is a shark, and finally this is a chameleon. Okay, now from this what you can see, this we have already previously we have seen, right? This is a dog, this is penguin, this is sheep, this is an elephant from apple. So this you can see the slides and you can have some ideas from this. So now I hope you will enjoy this salad decoration competition. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.